Happy morning children, a warm welcome to Sheba Group online class. Children, I hope everyone enjoyed your previous classes. Today we are going to write a class work in social. Come on children, let's move to our class. Students, if you have a notebook, please take 192 pages ruled note. Please check it again, 192 pages ruled note to write your social class work. Now open your notebook children. In the first page, you have to mention your name, class as 4th standard, subject social. Everyone listen again. You have to mention your name, class as 4th standard and subject as social. After writing your name, class and subject children, please turn the page. Take the second page. In this page, with your scale and pencil, you have to draw 2 lines. First line should be drawn on the red margin. Leave the second line. Take the third line and draw the second line. So you will get a space to write your lesson name. Dear children, after drawing 2 lines from the margin and then the third line, take your stick pen. Take your stick pen children. So stick pen won't harm your fingers. It will give you a smooth and bright handwriting. So your handwriting will be clear with your blue stick pen. So don't use any other kind of pens like cartridge pens. It will spoil your handwriting. Use only the stick pens. So with your stick pens, first write the date. So 3/9 and in the column given here, in the first line after the margin, write it as lesson name, Kingdoms of Rivers. I am repeating again. You have to write the lesson name in the middle of the 2 draw lines, that is Kingdoms of Rivers. So K should be in capital and R should be in capital. Kingdoms of Rivers. Keep finger gap while writing the Kingdoms of Rivers. Now we move on to the first Roman letter. Leave one space and start writing. In the margin of the notebook, you have to write it as first Roman letter. Dictation words. Keep a space between the words to write your handwriting neatly. First Roman letter, dictation words. We are going to write 5 dictation words. First one, after writing this, before putting the serial numbers, leave one line and started writing from the margin. Put the number 1 and the first word is Senguttuvan. What the word? Senguttuvan. You have to start the letter with the capital. Senguttuvan. Let me spell it. Senguttuvan. Senguttuvan. Leave the second line. Leave the line and write the number as 2. We are going to write the second word. It is Adiyaman. I am insisting again you to write the first letter in capital. Adiyaman. Spell along with me children. Adhiyaman. Adiyaman. Adhiyaman. Adiyaman. Whenever you are writing, you have to spell it and write children. Leave one line. Write the serial number as 3 and it is the word Madurai. What the word is this children? Madurai. 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 Leave one line. Write the serial number as 4. It is the word pulse. Pulse means what? Muttu in Tamil. Muttu, vella muttu. Pulse. P-E-A-R L-S, pulse. P-E-A-R-L-S, pulse. Again, I think you captured that. You have to leave one line and write the serial number in the margin as 5. And the fifth word is Tanjavur. What this word, children? Tanjavur. T-A-N-J-A-V-U-R. Tanjavur. T-A-N-J-A-V-U-R. Tanjavur. After finishing this letter Tanjavur, again leave one line and with your ruler and a pencil draw a line neatly. Don't draw with a free hand, children. It will go upside down. So with your ruler and a pencil draw a line. Students, remind always whenever you are writing your classwork, you have to write your handwriting neatly. You should not scribble. Clear? So now we move on to the second Rome letter. Choose the correct answer. I think you will have a space to write below this. So after drawing a line, leave one line and started writing the second Rome letter as choose the correct answer. So leave one line. Again, where we have to start our serial number? Yes, you are right, in the margin. So port of Cholas was dash Kaveri Pumpattinam. You should not leave a line while writing the first one. Even the option should be right in the second or third line. If you don't have a space to write here, Kaveri Pumpattinam, it's a very big word, so you won't have a space. Continue in the next line. Complete this with a full stop and then started writing the options in the below lines. Clear, children? உங்களுக்கு இங்கே இடம் பத்தாது. You won't have sufficient space. So write it in the next line. The option should be written in the next line. Clear? So let me revise this. Port of Cholas was Kaveri Pumpattinam. So Kaveri, let me spell it. K-A-V-E-R-I. Kaveri. Pumpattinam. P-O-O-M-P-A-T-T-I-N-A-M. Pumpattinam. P-O-O-M-P-A-T-T-I-N-A-M. Pumpattinam. Clear, children? After writing the first one, you have to leave one line. Started writing the second serial number in the margin. The flag of Pandyas was fish. You have to underline the answer with a ruler and a pencil, with a scale and a pencil. Don't draw in your free hand. The flag of Pandyas was fish. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. You can write the options on the next line itself. You should not leave a space there. Clear? Now, after writing the second one, leave one space. Started writing the serial number 3 in the margin. And mind, your handwriting should be neat and clear. The Ballal, feudal lord, who gave his chariot to Mullai was Pari. Was Pari. P-A-R-I. Pari. P-A-R-I. Pari. You can write your options in the next line. And after finishing this, choose the correct answers. Check whether you have underlined all the answers with your ruler and pencil. And then at last you have to draw a line, again leaving a line. Clear, children? Or line விட்டுட்டு அழகா with your scale and a pencil draw a line. Children, the third Rome letter is match the following. If you have a space below, choose the correct answer. You may continue, children. Don't leave the space. Just leave a single line and started writing the third Rome letter in the margin and match space the space following. Clear? And leave one line. Put the serial number in the margin. First one, Cheras. What you have to write, children? First word, Cheras. Start with a capital letter keep finger gap and then write hyphen, again keep finger gap and write the answer. So it will give you a neat look. Clear? So cheras poigai. Give a space and write, children. Cheras poigai. Leave the next line. Write the serial number in the margin. Cholas space hyphen space Kaveri. Cholas Kaveri. In both sides you have to start the first letter in capital. Leave one line. Third one, Pandyas Vaigai. Pandyas Vaigai. Leave again one line. Write the serial number 4 in the margin. Pallavas Palar. Now I am going to spell the answers. Poigai. 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 Kaveri. Cauvery. Kaveri. Cauvery. Kaveri. Vaigai. 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 And the last word is Palar. 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 After finishing this, you have to draw a line with your ruler and a pencil. Now we move on to the fourth Roman letter. Answer the following. We are going to write to answer the following, children, and follow the instructions whatever I am saying. After writing the headline for this, you have to leave one line. Write the serial number in the margin. Start writing these words. Who space were the greatest king among the Cheras? After writing these words, you have to end the question with a question mark. It is very important, and give sufficient space to write the words neatly. Who were the kings, greatest kings among the Cheras? Question mark. Now leave one line and write the answer in the margin side. Every time whenever we are starting our answers, we have to give 2 finger gaps. It is very necessary. Don't forget this, children. So after keeping 2 finger gaps, we are going to write the answer. So Imaya Varamban, Nedunjera Ladan and Sengutuvan. So these are the names. Whenever we are writing the name of a person, we have to use capital letters. So I have mentioned I in capital. Imaya Varamban, Nedunjera Ladan and Sengutuvan. N in capital, S in capital, were the greatest kings among the Cheras. You have to keep full stop after writing the answers. Don't forget this, children. It is also very important. So let me spell the word Imaya Varamban. Spell it and write, children. It will give you a memory power. Imaya Varamban. Imaya. I split it out and spell it for your easy convenient to learn. Imaya. 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 Varamban. 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 Imaya Varamban. Nedunjera Ladan. Nedun. N-E-D-U-N. Nedun. Cheraladan. Cheraladan. Nedun Cheraladan. And Sengutuvan. 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 You should not leave any lines while writing the answers. After completing the answer with a full stop, you have to draw a line to look your note neat and clear. Now we are going to write the second question. Write the serial number in the margin. Now let me explain you. Who were கடையேழு வள்ளல்கள்? Who were கடையேழு வள்ளல்கள்? Question mark. After writing the question, what you have to do, children? You have to leave one line. So leave a line and write the answer. Here I am listing out the names of the கடையேழு வள்ளல்கள். So I am not putting the full stops near the names. We should not put the full stop near the name of a king or anything. Clear? I have mentioned a star for a neat look. Okay. So first name is Pehan. P-E-H-A-N. Pehan. P-E-H-A-N. Pehan. Second one, Pari. P-A-R-I. Pari. P-A-R-I. Pari. Write neatly, children, and leave a space to look your note neatly. And the third one, Adiyaman. A-T-H-I-Y-A-M-A-N. Adiyaman. A-T-H-I-Y-A-M-A-N. Adiyaman. And the fourth one, Valvil Ori. V-A-L-V-I-L. Valvil Ori. O-R-I. Ori. And the fifth one, Nedumudi Kari. N-E-D-U-M-U-D-I. Nedumudi. Kari. K-A-R-I. Kari. Nedumudi Kari. And the fifth one, Nalli. N-A-L-L-I. Nalli. And the sixth one, Nalli. N-A-L-L-I. Nalli. And the last one, seventh one, I. A-A-I-I. A-A-I-I. So we have 7 கடையேழு வள்ளல்கள். Pehan, Pari, Adiyaman, Valvil Ori, Nedumudi Kari, Nalli and I. So after finishing this question, what you have to do, children? You have to draw a line with your pencil and scale. After finishing this, you have to write parent sign to get your parent sign. It is very compulsory. So everyone should get your parent sign. Thank you, children, for listening to me carefully, and write your classwork neatly with good handwriting. I hope everyone will do a work best. Thank you. Meet you in the next class. Until then, bye. Have a pleasant day.